Writes XRP Army. Let's dive straight into the charts because things are getting incredibly tense. Right now, XRP is just a hair's breadth, only 2% away from a critical breakout zone that could be the fuse to ignite a major rally. Now, I know what you're seeing, a 4% dip in the last 24 hours. But look closer. Trading volumes have practically doubled. Or, what does that tell you? It signals that the big players, the whales, are positioning themselves, gearing up for a significant move. This isn't just random noise. It's the quiet before a potential storm. Let's pull up the on-chain data, because the blockchain doesn't lie. We're seeing heavy, and I mean heavy, accumulation between the 52 and 54 cent marks. This is a massive demand zone being carved out right before our eyes. If XRP can find its footing and bounce back above these levels, it could trigger a wave of strong buying momentum. Think of it as a springboard. The more compressed it gets, the higher the potential bounce. So, why the recent dip? It's not happening in a vacuum. The entire market is holding its breath due to uncertainty around the Federal Reserve's upcoming rate decision in December. This is causing some broader market jitters, and XRP is feeling that pressure. But don't lose sight of the bigger picture. Hope is definitely on the horizon. We've got the buzz around potential ETFs and Ripple's ever-expanding list of institutional partnerships, RU, which continue to build a solid foundation for long-term growth. Looking at the short-term picture, XRP did see a rejection after touching that 50-cent mark, which was a former support level that has now flipped into resistance. It's a classic technical move. However, the real test is happening now. If it can find solid support in the range of 47 to 48 cents, history suggests that a powerful rebound could be just around the corner. We've seen this pattern play out before, where a dip to this level precedes a strong upward move. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is definitely showing some growing selling pressure. I won't deny that. But here's the other side of that coin. When an asset becomes oversold, it often signals that a reversal might be imminent. The sellers get exhausted, and the buyers see an opportunity to step in at a discount. So, to wrap it all up, all eyes are locked on that crucial support zone we just talked about. A decisive bounce from here could be the catalyst that sets XRP on a path to reclaim higher levels. And, dare I say, start the journey toward new all-time highs. The stage is set for a very interesting week. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you got any value from this breakdown, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.